Hey guys, well I shouldn't be saying this. Alright, TA, start your video. I got you set. Please.
Okay.
Tell them what you're gonna play.
So I'm gonna play Stickman Blender. So we're gonna have to kill those Stickmans. Watch. Just watch. Watch. I'm gonna kill these people. Watch.
He's on wave 19. Pretty hard.
Yeah, you gotta beat those giants and it's pretty hard.
Yeah, a lot of them.
So I died, so some.
Here I go, guys. Alright. Here I go. See if I can do this, baby. Bang.
So Sean did this level, so we're gonna do it me.
Wait. Here we go.
So I'm gonna put the people in the blender so I can get them. Watch this. Yo, big giant! Yo, big giant! Look at these big giants! Yo, they're big giants.
Okay, this level we're gonna feel like terrible.
Yeah, because you gotta fight those big giants. So you don't have to because I have to, not Sean. Because okay, Sean has to beat those big giants.
Killed it. Combo attack!
So Sean did that. I'm gonna do the next one. So let's go, guys.
Oh, man. My turn, guys.
After this, we'll play another game.
Please. Oh, dang it. Okay, guys, this is Stickman Blender. So,
Happy guys, bye. We're gonna play another game.
later, haters. We go next time we video. What are we gonna play, TJ?
Okay, this video is gonna be cool.
Wait. You have to end the video first. What are we gonna do next time? What are we gonna play next time? Don't press it. Just tell me. Tell us.
That one.
We're gonna play Where's My Water 2?
Yeah.
Cool.
And
So next week will be Where's My Water 2. Hope you guys enjoy. Like, subscribe. This is my little bro. He's starting a channel. So subscribe to the guy, man. Right.
Yeah, we're playing another game.
And I'm gonna get him an intro too. So hope you guys enjoy the video. We're gonna play a different game, but